The 2021 Toyota 86 Black Limited Edition. Toyota hasn't been shy about rolling out special edition models of the 86 sports car, and with the second-generation 86 already on the horizon, another limited-run 86 has been released for the Japanese market. This particular special edition 86 hits close to home for some, in part because it's a modern-day homage to the AE86 Black Limited that Toyota unveiled back in 1986. This one is also called the Black Limited, and just like its predecessor, it comes with a fair amount of exclusive upgrades, including a new set of polished gold wheels. Only 86 units of the Toyota 86 Black Limited are available, and all 86 allocations are exclusive to the Japanese market, or at least most of them are. What's the deal with the Toyota 86 Black Limited? It's a cool way to create a special edition model, isn't it? The Toyota AE86 Black Limited was launched 35 years ago to great acclaim. The all-black AE86 with the gold wheels dripped in so much swag that all 400 units that Toyota created sold out faster than an initial D-drift run. It took some time, more than 3 decades if you're counting, but the successor to the hugely popular AE86 Black Limited has arrived. Just like its predecessor, the Toyota 86 Black Limited is dressed to the nines in black, giving the sports coupe a stealthy and sinister aura that a lot of us didn't think it had. The special edition 86 also sits on a set of 17-inch bronze wheels with red Brembo brakes peeking from behind. Toyota also installed a trunk lid spoiler at the back for downforce purposes and shock absorbers sourced from Sachs to improve the coupe's ride comfort and all-around stability. Modifications to the 86's underbody should help improve airflow, and if you're really looking for the complete AE86 treatment, Toyota can add the all-too-familiar bronze pinstripe on the sides of the 86 Black Limited. Interior upgrades aren't that flashy, either, but they're still notable. It's predominantly black, which shouldn't come as a surprise to many. There's a bronze black edition logo on the artificial leather-covered dashboard. That counts as the only bronze accent you'll see inside the coupe. It's not much, and it's a tad disappointing, but at least Toyota didn't skim on dressing up parts of the seats with leather and Alcantara. Toyota's myriad of special edition 86 models didn't receive any engine upgrades, and it's no different with the 86 Black Limited Edition. In the absence of modifications, you're still getting the same 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine that produces as much as 205 horsepower and 156 pound-feet of torque with the manual transmission. Opt for the automatic and the output drops to 200 horsepower and 151 pound-feet of torque. Almost everyone has wished that the 86's 4-banger produces more horsepower, but it's unlikely that we'll ever get that wish granted for the first-generation model now that the second-generation model is coming. Either way, the 86 Black Limited Edition can still sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.5 seconds and hit a top speed of 130 miles per hour. Combine that with all the suspension and handling tweaks that come with the special edition coupe and you should be able to have a bit more fun driving the 86 Black Limited around than you would a standard 86. Toyota has priced the special edition 86 at 3.518 million yen for the manual transmission model and 3.586 million yen for the automatic transmission. Those prices convert to around $34,000 for the manual and $34,600 for the automatic based on current exchange rates. Unfortunately, Toyota capped production of the new 86 Black Limited Edition well below the production total of its predecessor. Whereas the original AE86 Black Limited came with a volume of 400 units, the new 86 Black Limited's production is capped at just 86 units. Half of those 86 units are manual transmission models while the other half are automatic transmission models. Oh, and if you're looking to score one, you're going to have a difficult time finding one in the US market. The special edition 86 Black Limited is exclusive to the Japanese market. That's not to say that it's impossible. A Toyota dealership in Orlando secured some inventory of the special edition 86, but you are going to have to look long and hard to find one here in the US. Final thoughts. The Toyota AE86 was arguably one of Toyota's best models in the 1980s. Of course, the model's starring role in the initial D manga series also helped in that regard. It took Toyota a long time to come up with a proper successor for the original AE86 Black Limited, but now that it's here, I'd say that the wait was worth it. I would have preferred an extra shot of power, but that was wishful thinking, to begin with. Visually, the 86 Black Limited edition is a home run, right down to the bronze wheels and red brake calipers. Love it. A proper tribute to a proper special edition model. Black and bronze never looked this good. Sneaky important suspension and aerodynamic upgrades. Leave it hard to find outside Japan. Would have wanted more power. Bit too late in the model's life cycle.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.